to lose weight or stubborn fat, but it just won't budge? Most dietitians focus on calorie counting, but our next guest says our hormones actually play a very big role, particularly in our midsection. Joining us now is three-time champion fitness competitor and nutrition expert, Christine Hranek. Welcome to the show.
Thank you, Kendall. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, we are happy to have you. I know we're going to talk about the 5 signs of a hormonal belly and how we can get rid of it. But first off, I want to ask you about your YouTube channel because you're really active on there. I think you have more than 300,000 subscribers, millions of views on your videos. And the most viewed video actually talks about different body types for women, how we store fat, and why that matters. Why is that so important to figure out when it comes to losing weight?
It's so important because a lot of people try to take a one-size-fits-most approach when it comes to fat loss. And the reality is what works for one person does not work for another on a bio-individual basis. And I see so many women who are frustrated, who are stuck. And as a result of that, they give up way too easily when there's a different approach that's going to work better for you and for your specific body type. And I think a lot of women and men feel seen when they see, oh, wow, there's a reason why I'm having a struggle and I need to be doing different things to work for my specific situation.
Okay. Well, speaking of that, before we move on to the solutions, let's talk about the 5 signs of a hormonal belly. And the very first one is that your waistline keeps increasing despite you really trying to decrease your waistline, right? And eating healthfully.
Yes, that is true. And one of the biggest problems is if you're eating healthy, going too low in calories can actually rob your body of the vital nutrients it needs to actually balance your hormones. A hormonal belly tends to be on the lower part of the midsection. And as a result of that, it's the result of a hormone imbalance. And you can't balance your hormones if you're not eating enough of the proper nutrients.
Okay. And the second one is sugar cravings.
It's a sign of insulin resistance. When your body is not able to properly process glucose, your body is going to have really strong insulin spikes. And as a result, you're going to feel hungrier and hungrier and hungrier without feeling satisfied. And that's a sign that there is a hormone imbalance with your insulin.
Let's move through the last 3 quickly so we can get to some of the solutions. The third one is leptin resistance. What is leptin?
So leptin is a hormone that tells your body that it is time to stop eating. That can also impact your mood swings. Other things include, feeling constantly stressed, high levels of cortisol, as well as feeling constantly fatigued or exhausted. These are all signs that you may actually have a hormonal belly.
And the last one is excessive estrogen. How can we really figure out if we have too much estrogen?
So if you have too much estrogen in your body, you're going to feel bloated. You're going to feel tired. You are going to be lacking energy. You're going to be lower in libido. You're going to feel moodier. It's going to be more and more challenging to drop that body fat when the estrogen levels are high relative to your progesterone.
Okay. All right. Well, this is really insightful. So let's change that. Let's change our hormonal belly. And you say it all starts with the foods that we eat. And there are some really powerful foods that can help us make a difference.
Absolutely. So the first thing is a hormone detox smoothie. So I have this here. It's in a mason jar, and your body can detox excess estrogens by getting the appropriate amounts of fiber. So in this hormone detox smoothie, there is green apple, there is chia seeds, there is kale, celery, spinach, ginger, and lemon. These are all excellent ingredients to detox excess estrogens. And a lot of people don't realize you can detox them through your food. So this is a great way to start the day, or even pair it with a breakfast. But so many women are not getting enough fiber.
Drinking it along with you. So cheers to you, Christine. It is very good.
Cheers, Kendall. It's fantastic. It's so refreshing.
And hey, truth be told, I did eat pizza last night, so I really need this.
Oh, very good.
Hey, can you talk about chia
really
seeds for a second, Christine? And I know you also mentioned flax seeds, and you see these seeds in healthy recipes a lot.
Yes.
Why are they so beneficial? What's in them?
They are beneficial because they are an excellent source of healthy fats as well as fiber. According to the FDA, women need a minimum of 25 grams of fiber per day. And even if you're getting spinach, it's still not enough fiber, because 1 cup of spinach is 1 gram of fiber. So you're going to need more and more of these types of ingredients, because it's going to detox excess estrogens as well as excess cholesterol in the body.
Okay, we have a little bit less than a minute left, Christine, and we'll put the recipes on our website, but we have 3 more ingredients here that I know that you are a big fan of: the raw honey, apple cider vinegar, and coconut oil. Why do you like these?
Yeah, so these are really great ways to flavor salads, and I have a daily detox carrot salad here. It's fantastic because it allows you to get that nice flavor and boost without spiking your blood sugar, without adding empty processed ingredients. They are clean, they are healthy, they are very nutritious, and they taste amazing as well.
I love it. Christine, thank you so much for your insight this morning. We appreciate it, and I love the smoothie. I got my lunch.
Awesome. Cheers.
Cheers, indeed. You can learn more at gaugelife.com.